buffalo chicken salad. In my big old cast iron skillet, I melted half a stick of butter, and now I'm grating in a lot of garlic. We're making buffalo sauce. So we get our butter swirling around. Don't get the pan too hot. You just want to melt the butter and get the garlic bubbling. Okay, this is like medium low. Then we're going to add in half a cup of hot sauce. Well, have you ever had wings? What do you think is on them? 1, 2 fat splashes of that. And then to make it extra saucy and let it cook out and the chicken has to warm back through, I add about a half a cup of chicken stock or bone broth. And we let that all bubble away with some black pepper. You're not going to need any salt because most rotisserie chickens taste salty enough for me anyway. At least wait till it cooks out before you salt it. Stir this all together and let it bubble and heat through. So now we're gonna make a ranchero sauce, kind of like ranch, but I start with Mexican crema or sour cream. I'm gonna thin it down with lime juice. We're gonna put blue cheese crumbles all over our buffalo chicken, but the dressing is made with cotija cheese crumbles. It's really delicious on anything, just, out with veggies or with some tortilla chips, some salt and pepper. A small handful of cilantro, a couple of serrano or jalapeno chili peppers, and some garlic. Oh, I forgot my chives. And some chives. And then we just pulse this all together and keep working the dressing until it thins out a bit. And then I like to put it in a squirt bottle and just keep it in the fridge. Take the top off the bottle and put a little piece of plastic in between when you're done with the first meal, and then you can use it for snacking and sandwiches all week long. When I was making dressing with you guys, I mentioned the cotija cheese, but I forgot to put it in there. Luckily, this one has it. So now we're gonna assemble our blue cheese buffalo chicken salad. We are gonna take a head of iceberg lettuce for every 2 people. So you need 1 of these for 2 plates. You crack the core by knocking it on the counter, pull that out. And then you're going to trim the sides so that it'll sit flat on the plate. And you end up with 2 giant slabs, just like wedge salads from back in the day, right? So I'm gonna take a wedge, in this case a slab, pop that down, and then put dressing all over that. And then, of course, what do we eat with wings to make us feel better about eating wings? Carrots and celery. So I've got a little chopped carrot and celery to put there into the dressing. Green onion, let's do on top. Now we're gonna take our saucy buffalo chicken, put that over our slab salad. Delicious. And then we put our blue cheese crumbles down over the whole thing. Okay, and then we hit it with a little green onion, and that is a tower of power.